Hello students and welcome. From today onwards we are going to begin with our poetry section. The first poem which we are going to begin is Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. The poet of this given poem is Walt Whitman, a very well-renowned American poet. Here in the above para, here we can see a picture is given of the poet himself. Yes, and of course his all from his birth to death, the year are given, and his history is given all about. His work is been described in the above paragraph. So we'll go through this above paragraph and then we'll begin with the poem. Got it? So, Walt Whitman. He was an American poet, essayist and journalist. Okay? So, he was even a poet. He also wrote essays and even he used to write journals. Yeah? Of course, he used to write for the newspapers. So, he became a journalist. Whitman is amongst the most influential poet. Yes, very influential one. Influential yani takatwar. Yes, very strong, potential one. Influential poets in the American canon, in the American colony, in the American arena, in the American society, we can say. His poetry was very influential and is often called the father of free verses, and he was, out of respect, people used to call, or the society used to call him, or the nation had given him the name, the title over the father of free verses. Yes, who was the father of free verses? Walt Whitman. He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economical status. Difficult economic status means in a very common family he lived. His magic work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1985. Yes, approximately 200 years before. His work was established or brought him into notice, and that work was Leaves of Grass. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln, is widely popular, which gave him popularity. What gave him popularity? Walt Whitman came into notice after his popular poem O Captain, My Captain. This poem was dedicated to that time President Abraham Lincoln. So his verses were, his work was all over. Yes, here we can see the Leaves of Grass to Captain, O Captain, My Captain. Yes. So he used to write on the topics which would influence or which would bring certain change in the society. He was very influential through his writing. The section Songs of the Open Road from Leaves of the Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness. Yes, अब ये पोएम के बारे में शुरू हो चुकी है डिस्क्रिप्शन. In the second para, we would come to know that the writer's work had been described in detail, that how the poem is all about, what the poem is all about. Now the section 1 of Poem of the Open Road from Leaves of the Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, self-consciousness, awareness, yes, free will and tenderness of heart. Tenderness of heart means very soft-hearted person. very emotional person that we would called as tenderness. अब यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि जो हमारी पोएम है आज की सॉन्ग्स ऑफ द ओपन रोड, ये एक ब्यूटीफुल ब्लेंड है, एक मिक्सचर है. ब्लेंड यानी मिक्सचर किस चीज़ का? तो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस का, खुद आत्मचिंतन का, फ्री विल, एक आत्मनिर्भर होने की बात कही हुई है यहाँ पे. टेंडरनेस ऑफ हार्ट, इमोशनल है, सॉफ्ट हार्ट है. सो डिस्क्रिप्शन ऐसा दिया हुआ है. इट गिव्स अस पोएट्स रियलाइजेशन दैट अलोंग द जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ वन विल फेस अ टेस्ट ऑफ विजडम which is not tested in any school or university. Yes, in this given poem you will come to know, आपको ये समझ में आएगा ये पोएम पढ़ने के बाद कि यहाँ पे जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ डिस्क्राइब की गई है. और ये जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ पोएट कहते हैं ये किसी स्कूल, किसी कॉलेज, किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है. आपको ये अनुभव करके सीखना पड़ता है. आपके एक्सपीरियंस आपके बेस्ट टीचर्स रहते हैं. ये पोएम पढ़ने के बाद आपको ये अंदाज़ा आएगा. you'll get into notice or you'll come to know that life is something else. What we learn in our school, colleges, the syllabus which we learn doesn't much help in our day-to-day life, in living our life, because life carries emotions, yes, experiences, and it varies from person to person. ये सब चीज़ें वैरी करती है, डिफ्रेंशिएट करती है. हर एक इंसान अपनी खुद की एक लाइफ जीता है. will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all level of people to associate with one another. Very true. This line is very true. Yes, the road is something everyone uses. Yes, आज हम एक रास्ते से जा रहे हैं, हज़ारों लोग हमारे साथ चलते हैं. We don't know their destiny, they don't know our destiny. Yes, where we are going, everyone you go and tell, सभी को आप बताते जा रहे हो नहीं मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ आज, नहीं. But we commonly move on that same road. Yes, we won't show that this road is mine. No, हम ऐसा नहीं करते. आपको जो रास्ते से जाना है, दो मोड़ आते हैं, कोई यहाँ से टर्न, कोई लेफ्ट में टर्न हो जाता है, कोई राइट में टर्न हो जाता है, कोई सीधा चले जाता है. यस, बट everyone has the same path. Then they chooses where to go and where to not, whether rich or poor, and it forces all level of people to associate with one another. Yes, हम रास्ते से जाते हुए ट्रैफिक फेस करते हैं. कभी कोई साइकिल पे जा रहा है, कोई कार में जा रहा है, पर सिग्नल पे सभी रुकते हैं ना. यस, everyone is all equal. Yes, we won't push each other. हम धक्का देके जाते हैं सबको. No, we respect each and everyone. आप आपके रास्ते से जाओ, हम हमारे रास्ते से जाएंगे. Yes, we have to move equally with each other on the similar path. We can't force that you should go from year to year. You can't force anyone. An unknown person you can't force. Yes, but on that the path is same. फिर मोड़ आता है, you go to your way, they go to their way. Simple. The road signifies mobility. Yes, mobility. यहाँ पे what does the road signifies? Mobility. You can't stand on one place. Yes, आप जाके रास्तों के बीचों बीच खड़े हो गए. No, you have to keep moving on. And thus the poem also teaches over here, the poet also says over here, explains over here that life is all about moving on. good experience will come, bad experience will come, but you can't stop living your life. You have to live and live to the fullest. Yes? So, the road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Yes? One can experience that, yes, today I have taken a view that I have taken this decision from today onwards I am going to behave on this path. Yes, I'll be honest. I have to work on that. Yes. One can take the road as a point to start towards something new. Whitman talks about the people and places. Now here in the given poem, Songs of the Open Road, he discusses all about the new people, places and his experience with them. He argues against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. Now what he says, even he argues against. Now he argues, not he says, but he won't say anything, but he argues. He is not satisfied to stay for too long at one place. He wants to explore new things. Yes, he wants to know new things. Whenever you would go to new places, you come to know with new people, their traditions, their religion, their way of living. Yes, we come to know that your knowledge enhances. Whenever you experience new things, of course, your knowledge enhances. Although the hospitality may be true. Whatever comfortable hospitality, यानी आप जिस अरेना में रहते हैं, आप जिस जगह पे रहते हैं, वहाँ पे आपको सारे ऐशो आराम मिल रहे हो. But still, Walt Whitman, our poet, is saying that don't stay for too long. Why? क्योंकि आप उस चीज़ के आदी हो जाओगे. You'll become used to that comforts and you will stop exploring the new things, which is not good for your knowledgeable brain. Yes? From this had been the explanation of the poem. In detail, we would be going in our next session. Today, only I have taught the introduction of the poem. I'll begin Songs of the Open Road, the poem, in our next section. Thank you.